Understanding, on the family way, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, on the family way. This phrase might sound a bit confusing at first, but don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about English expressions, this video will help you understand what this phrase means and how to use it correctly. On the family way is an idiomatic expression used to describe a woman who is pregnant. It's a somewhat old-fashioned and indirect way of saying that someone is expecting a baby. This phrase is often used to talk about pregnancy in a polite or euphemistic manner, especially in situations where one might want to avoid the direct word, pregnant, for cultural or social reasons. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us better grasp their meanings. The phrase, on the family way, dates back to a time when discussing pregnancy openly was considered inappropriate or too personal. Therefore, people use this indirect phrase to convey the same meaning without directly mentioning pregnancy. It's a glimpse into how social norms and etiquette influenced language in the past. While on the family way isn't as common in modern conversation, it's still useful to know, especially in understanding older literature or in conversations with people who prefer more traditional language. Here's how you might use it. In a sentence, I heard that Julia is on the family way. Congratulations to her. Remember, this phrase is quite formal and old-fashioned, so it's more suitable for formal contexts or for creating a certain tone in writing or speech. There are other expressions that convey the same meaning. Phrases like expecting, with child, or simply pregnant, are more commonly used today. Each of these has its own tone and context where it might be appropriate. And that's a wrap on the phrase, on the family way. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting English expression and added a new phrase to your vocabulary. Remember, language is constantly evolving, and understanding these phrases helps us connect with different times and cultures. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.